Walking into a room that feels like an extension of your personality. A space that's not only comfortable and functional, but also a true reflection of your personal style. And that's the beauty of selecting the right furniture for your home. Begin by defining your style. Whether it's classic or modern, minimalist or rustic, eclectic or something else entirely, understanding your unique aesthetic will guide you in making the right furniture choices. Comfort is a crucial factor too. Beautiful furniture is more than just a feast for the eyes, it should be a haven for your body as well. So, when choosing sofas, chairs and beds, consider both their visual appeal and the level of comfort they provide. Quality is another key consideration. Invest in well-made pieces crafted from solid wood, quality upholstery and sturdy construction. Such pieces not only retain their beauty over time, but also offer more durability. Don't feel bound to complete furniture sets. Dare to mix and match different styles and pieces to create a unique and visually appealing look. The color and material of your furniture should harmoniously blend with your room's color scheme. Different materials like wood, metal, glass or fabric can add texture and character to your space. Think about the functionality of the furniture. Beautiful furniture can also offer practical solutions like storage spaces in coffee tables or beds. Lighting too plays a significant role in enhancing your decor. Stylish lamps and light fixtures can add a layer of warmth and charm to your home. Then consider the art and decor in your home. Your furniture should complement these elements, creating a harmonious aesthetic. And of course, add a personal touch. Family photos, heirlooms or handmade items can add a unique charm to your home. Space planning is vital too. Ensure that the size and scale of your furniture fit the room's dimensions. Avoid overcrowding or underfurnishing a space. Include one or two statement pieces that draw attention and accentuate your style. Also consider the level of maintenance required for the furniture. Some materials and finishes may require more care than others. Finally, set a budget for your furniture purchases. Remember, beautiful furniture can be found at various price points. In essence, creating a beautiful home is about how all these elements, style, comfort, quality, color, material, functionality, lighting, decor, personal touch, space planning, statement pieces, maintenance and budget, come together to form a harmonious and aesthetically pleasing environment. So take your time, plan well, and select pieces that resonate with your style and make you feel comfortable and happy in your space.